Alright. Oh, it's so slow again. 2 frames per second. Hi everyone, this is Santiago Zapata, and today we are here giving a very brief look at the game developers Carnival 2021. This time they are using a new platform. It seems to be some kind of cloud gaming thing. Instead of you installing your client locally and having it work locally, which seems like a good idea. I mean, it was much easier and much quicker to set up everything and and have it run. Took me like maybe 5 minutes or less, whereas last year it was a much bigger thing. So yeah, uh, it's also a complete new environment, not just the client from last year. They kept the Carnival um, theme Gen XP. This is the virtual platform they are using. It's different from last year, I believe. Which was your world? Not sure what happened with it. But yeah, it's similar. So here we are. It looks pretty nice. For some reason, my avatar is always talking. Maybe it's because it's uh, detecting my microphone. Not sure. Uh, but yeah, I'm not talking with anyone. It's just very expressive. So yeah, as you get close to the booths, you can hear the sound from each booth. This year I don't have a booth. I'm not sure why. I don't think they offered, or I missed the offer for booths, so I don't have one. You can see here probably, yeah, this is like the area of influence of the booth. The sound is pretty good. The sound is pretty good. Um, so this is the Unreal. What is this one? Element 150. I don't know what this is. A game maybe? Journey to New Grade. So let's see what the information. Let's try to click this button maybe, and we get, yeah, we get the info from the booth. Element 115. We focus on the next physics simulations. Okay, and you can email or add this to your address book maybe. Not sure what's going to happen next with this. Um, okay, let's see if there are any other interesting booths around. Nerd monkeys. Let's see. What's this? Actually, I'm waiting for a talk to happen. We'll also get to check how that works. And probably this, I mean, the choice of using cloud gaming, of course, it's a trade-off between bandwidth and like video processing power. I mean, this is probably now much more accessible to people without a good video card. They just need like a good internet connection, which I don't have right now, as you can see. This is a game that is in Steam Early Access, or several games probably, out of line. Okay, looking good. I like the art. Let's check the info. Oh, yeah, you need a very good internet connection, but that's expected for cloud gaming platforms. So it's like a classic point and click thing, or at least looks like it. PT is Puerto Rico maybe? Portugal. I don't know. Okay. Look around a little bit more. So this is the entrance, and actually when I logged in, I was like stuck with a lot of people around and could not move. Um, so well, this is the main mode of interaction. I wish I could deactivate my microphone so it doesn't. Okay, maybe I can do that with this button. So yeah, that's better. now, now I'm probably not spamming people with my voice. inside the experience. Um, so yeah, from this sidebar you can check the schedule of the talks. I'm waiting for this one. Looks interesting. 10 a.m. ET Eastern time. How to build an audience for your game. So we'll see that. That maybe in an hour, I think. Yeah. And you can also check your meetings here. There's like 2 tracks. So yeah, we're going to go and look for the sound stage beforehand so we can be there on time. Um, then there's the event map. It will be good to know where you are. I don't know where I am. Probably somewhere around here. 29 is Payara, 40 is Polycrunch. So we will have to look for indications or landmarks to to orientate ourselves. Then, well, this time you can edit your character. Um, Unlike last year, it's good. It works. There's like some preset avatars, and you can change them, and then you can change your skin color if you want. I'm a pretty standard guy here. Let's be a little bit darker, and you can change your hair color, eye color, more like this maybe. I don't know, dark brown, and your body colors. Just the colors. That this is actually the clothing, not the body color. And then there's a chat. Hello. Okay, so this guy's stuck from the sidebar. Press that. Yes, this guy's stuck. Yes, like that. Those small details that can prevent you from like checking the entire experience. That sucks. All right, so let's walk around a little bit. Um, I'm really suffering here with the bandwidth. Um, yeah, they seem to have reused some assets from last year. It seems I recall this Zeppelin thing. So let's find that soundstage and see if there's any interesting booths on the way. This is the entrance to the Expo Hall and Conference Hall. This is a meeting point from me to Notch. At this year, I also kind of avoided a lot of like B2B meetings because that's not really what we are looking at. We're looking for now. So here's okay. This is like some conference room. So I guess ideally you'd meet here with people for your B2B uh, meetings and talk. Maybe let's check one of these. Again, apologies for the crappy frame rate. So you will enter here and talk, I guess. Is there anything here? Let's see. Just some furniture, some cosmetic stuff. There's a lot of meeting rooms. Probably all of them look the same. There's a big screen here. Some people talking there.
Es imposible que te salte con el tema del PR. Porque el tema del PR, lo que
Well,
es fuerte son los contactos.
seems like
Si tú
I'm
no tienes los contactos
overhearing
y no
someone's
has construido
conversation.
bien la base de
Which is
datos
weird
y
because I'm
los
not really
envíos,
close
por muchos contactos que tengas,
or that
el otro
close
puede
to
irse al
someone.
abajo, porque no habrás hecho bien.
Sorry. Yeah, they were talking there. Okay. Hopefully I'm not like getting into their conversation. I turned off the microphone, so yeah. So this is like the place where people meet and talks. They were talking about PR there in Spanish. Let's check them up again. Okay, so we are here in this blue area, conference rooms. So let's return to the lobby and just go all the way to the sound stage. And maybe there's some interesting booths on our way there. Um, let's do that. Yeah, I think maybe this is also something in server side, because when I entered, it was much smoother. Um, and now it's lagging a little bit, probably because more people connected. Okay, so we walk back into the lobby. Here's some Daily Planet, Universal Globe stuff here. Um, let's walk. Okay, so we enter. No, that's a card yard, and that's another card yard. I don't know. But let's enter the Expo Hall. Oh, there's also a second story. Interesting. Ah, but it's like a very small lobby. Let's take a look there. So you can run with shift. That's probably helpful here in our low frame rate scenario. From here you can see the park. All right. Probably you could like have some conversation here with someone. There's a giant tortoise thing here. Anyways, let's go to the expo hall. Can I jump? I don't think I can jump. Okay. Okay, so the booths are here. We can see this is the Razer booth. Nice. Turbo Play, AR something, AR, wheel set, Indica. Okay. So as you can see here in the chat, there's some people frustrated a little bit and just falling back to normal messaging platforms like Skype. That happens. That happens. We are still learning how to do this, but overall, I think this year I think it's the right choice to migrate to a cloud-based platform, because I mean, if you want to keep this kind of highly graphic interactive thing, then there's a question of scaling, right? Because you also need to provide people with some good experience. There's the Sega booth, Lantana Games. Let's check Lantana Games. I like those colors. Going to up the audio a little bit. Mondrian. What is this? Level editor, create, paint, and customize. What kind of game is this? Okay, so it's like a puzzle game? Well, they seem to make some kind of puzzle games. Mondrian Maker. I don't know that game. Creator. Okay, let's check maybe the info. Maybe we can learn a little bit. Someone tried to talk with me, I believe. I don't know. Plastic reality. Okay. Oh well, you can also see some screenshots. I like this. It's not working, or maybe they have a single screenshot, but that's useful. I think another thing that would be nice would be being able to download a PDF brochure or something like that. Okay, I'm lost again because I believe I had to go like all the way to the okay, maybe by here. Okay, yeah, behind the Sega booth. Gen XP, I think this is the platform. Let's go by here. Eventually we should get to the sound stage. That's like our final destination for now. Indie game business master classes. Yeah, I know about this. You research for insight into the business side of gaming. Nice. What else is here? Angry Demon Studio. Gory. Game around. Pure golf. Yeah, seems like I don't think this is a bandwidth issue. Actually, right now my ping is pretty good, so probably just something on their side. My Atom Universe. This one looks interesting. What is this? Atom Republic.
Hi there, and welcome to Atom Universe. With new attractions opening all the time, there's always more fun to be had. This is an ever-developing universe.
Okay.
There will always be more things to be discovered.
So something like a Second Life, but modern thing.
We invite you to try out every game and entertainment you can get your hands on.
Nice. Well, it looks good.
We'll give you atoms every day, so you can go all out.
Please don't be cryptocurrency.
Discoveries of your wonderful new world. What's more, here at Atom Universe, you never know who you're going to meet. It can be fun to bring a friend, hang out by yourself, or make new friends. Why not
Looks
introduce
good.
yourself to others and share your exciting experience with them?
I wonder if it's from the same company that made like the virtual world. No, it's a different one. Facebook meets the same. Probably Facebook wants to do this at some point. Looks nice. Looks nice. Dark Fracture. Twisted Studio. What is the, okay, it looks like a horror game or something like that. Dark Fracture. Nice. Well, I'm not a lot into this kind of games, but graphics look good. Supernova games. Stardew Valley, but cute. That's a first impression. Cupid Simulator. So you got some love currency. Well, you're not farming, but building a city, maybe? You're placing stuff, so there's gotta be some kind of crafting. There you go, farming. There's always gotta be some farming. Looks good. Whoa, emotes? Okay, so I accidentally used the emote experience. Okay, let's... The emote interface. I can do stuff like heart. Okay, so this game is heart. Yeah, heart. Heart. Nice. This one looks good. I'll check it out later. Lost now. Revenants. Fallen Legion Revenants.
Welcome to your onboarding for the Fat Cat Shipping Company.
Well, this is a different game.
It's a challenge to keep one of our tanks running.
It's like a shared booth, it seems.
That's why our best drivers are handsomely rewarded by me.
The puzzle game. And then there's some kind of RPG, I guess. Okay, we'll return. Oh, sorry, overheard that. That's kind of a concern with this kind of platforms, like you may be broadcasting stuff that people doesn't want to hear. It's like going around with a camera, I guess. Rent like. What is rent like? Fixing using improbable tools. What time is it? Okay, let's go and check the let's go and check the sound stage. I hope we're on the right track. Okay, so here's a moose here. Let's check the map. We're at the okay, so yeah, we're on the right track. The sound stage should be just beyond that doors. Let's check it and see. Maybe I messed with the time zones and the event already started. So here's a giant screen here. So let's try to see what this guy's talking about.
Let's look at two types of tokens. The standard token now uses
Oh no,
ERC-721.
tokens.
It is set up so one token represents one item. This
One
means
token
every item
represents
has
one
its own
item.
token. And if you want
So
to
this should be
process
the
a dozen
EFT
items with
one.
item, you have a
NFT.
dozen
No,
hunters
because this is
with
the
different
sound stage.
constituencies.
Oh, okay, so this is the Xola business engine.
NFT token developed by
Okay,
Expo.
so definitively
It
we
is
are still on time to get to the other talk, the one that I'm more interested on.
Represent multiple items. By doing so, ERC 1155 transfers can now be
Interesting. So yeah, this Xola is the organizer of this event. They are talking about one of their products, I believe.
So let's look at marketplaces. Since we are talking about games,
Nice. I like the
will be in game.
I like the
However, other platforms
the talks, the way talks are. I don't believe that worked last year. Probably, or at least I did not see it. So that's good. Okay. Let's. Okay, so let's go up here. Cafe venue. Oh, interesting. Nice. Looks good. I want to check the list of the expositors and see if we want to go to someone. Let's see. Tab brings the sidebar and then the event map. Let's see if I know someone from here. No, don't see anyone that I know. This year, it's all new people. It seems. Yeah, I don't see anyone that I know. So let's just walk. Yeah, let's just walk randomly. Sorry if I missed someone, but no, no one that I know. Let's go back to the Expo Hall and see, check stuff. I was going to mention that even if the streaming, the video streaming is very low frame rate, the sound is pretty good. So that will be good for the talks, I believe. Yeah, Astral Clockwork Studio, and also for the actual videos that you see here. Crystalla, not to be confused with Crystales. Zelda-like adventure, it seems. Nice. Ooh. Atom Universe we already took a look at. Run like this was the fix stuff thing. It's like a top-down perspective, and then you walk around. I wonder if it has procedural generation. So you fix okay, so you fix the stuff with probable tool. Yeah. Nice, nice. Looks good. Okay. Twilight Wars. Permanent death.
If you hear this message, you need to know. AAA is gone.
AAA is gone.
98% of the agents involved in the mission have also been killed.
Yeah, the battles kind of remind me of of uh Darkest Dungeon, of course. Human. AAA is death. Long like the indie. Yeah, combat looks a lot like Darkest Dungeons, but in the sci-fi setting, I guess. I mean, it's a different art style. It's not like the grim comic look of Darkest Dungeon, but still the same perspective. Hey, Pablo Escobar. Okay, looks good. YYT game. Arrow Feast. Fast moving action, like from a top-down perspective, similar to, I don't know, maybe 80s. I don't know. Giant monster coming. Deflector. Nice. Looks good. Yeah, I know the bandwidth. It's not a problem on my side because I can hear the sound perfectly. This is still showing the puzzle game. I wonder if they are going to swap to the other one. I like that poster. Uh, check the info maybe. Products. Yay, YYT games. Yummy Yummy Tummy. Nice. Wow, it's really bad. The lag is really bad now. I mean, or is it dead? I don't know what happened. No, it's just very, very low. Um, I wonder. Well, I think there are some settings to maybe lower the resolution. Let's see if that helps with the frame rate. Still very bad. Resolution percent 90. No, that's not helping at all. And yeah, I don't think this. Let's leave it like this. Maybe it will help a little bit. I don't see any difference in the quality for now. Warhammer 3. There's some poster about Warhammer 3 here from Sega. Yeah, this is Sega. And Mankind. Humankind, actually. So they are talking about how Sega is now publishing indie games instead of turning them down.
Make first-person shooters ranging from hardcore World War II to, slaughtering genetic freaks and crazy killing floor world.
A lot of people may not think about it this way, but video game developers are entertainers. And at our core, what we enjoy is entertaining people and making them happy. And as a studio making our own games, there's only so many games we can do at a time. But as a publisher, we can amplify the effect that we have
You can do
and
that.
help more great games get to the market.
Can you publish my game? I don't know. I think I won't stop with them, but Expedition was like very early. Good. Alright, I think we're going to stop the stream here and hopefully be able to come back in a bit for the talk about indie marketing and then also see how it works. There's some QR here, but I cannot scan it. Can I? No, I don't think I can. If I go close, I don't think I can interact with this. This is just their like normal printable poster that maybe with my phone I could. Let's try that. Probably can. Let's see where it lead us. Because Feast of the North Stars course. So I'm going to try that. Yes, it works. Of course it works. Oh, it's taking me directly to install the Android app. Nice. Action RPG. And this displays off for some reason. Oh, this looks good. Game Boy Color look, but no video, sadly. Oh, maybe I turned it off. I don't think. Maybe I did that when I lowered the quality. No, no. Oh, but this one looks good. Let's see if we can get more info about it. Oh, I jumped somehow. Yeah, I've heard last year it was not laggy at all because it was local. But lots of people could not use it at all either because they did not have a strong video card. Maybe just lower end MacBooks or stuff like that. Indie game developer Akura looks good. Had a successful quick Kickstarter. Nice. Okay, so let's try to see the like last year they had those kind of games that you could play. I think we have some time to oh crap, let's stop at this.
They're both
Invited me
definite.
to private.
So I got two.
Well,
Someone's talking there. And let's try to go to the courtyard without bumping into many walls. I have already been here. Yes, let's go this way. Oops. It's very hard to navigate with the frame rate that low. Very hard. That sounds familiar. No videos? Maybe they turned off all videos because they're trying to address the lag. So the courtyard. There's some games there. I think they announced that you will be able to use some of the games. Yeah, I think they turned off the videos, probably trying to fix the bandwidth. Oh, this is the main booth.
Get over that $25,000 mark, then but we've seen people that start to break down into smaller payments over time. Okay, and then of course, you want to hit that submit button. Don't forget that at the end. And after you've done that, what happens next?
A hard time.
So your application goes into the queue, and we have a game developer.
Mark, Sergey, let me go out. Okay. Cerdo games. Where are these from? probably. Oh, yeah, you need some patience to navigate this. With the low frame rate, it's not easy. I'm not close enough, I guess. Cerdo Games. Indie. Well, they don't say where they're from. And I cannot see the video anymore, so let's see if I can write this thing. I don't see anyone there. I don't see any entrance either. There's some stairs here. Will it open when I come close? Well, I don't seem to be able to interact with it. Maybe it's not open. I don't know. Yeah, that's not working. Or at least I could not figure out how it works. Games job lead. Wait. Angel Star Studios. Yeah, it seems like all videos are off now, which is a shame because I believe all booths were made around the notion of the video working. Oh no, it's too slow. Um, what courtyard are we in? I believe there are two. No, there's a single one, but you can enter from two different places. So if we go north, well, there's no compass, but if we go right next to the wheel, we should find the entrance to the sound stage, probably. Yeah, this is the sound stage. I think the talk from Exolar is done already. So we're waiting for the other talk. There's not much we can do. Oh, the door opened. Okay. Let's continue checking the boots. But let's run using our ultra speed. I don't know. I think it's running probably at 4 frames per second. Probably. Yeah, and if you compare this with my last year's recording, it's completely different. But again, I believe this is a good step. A step on the right direction because you need a lot of people here in order for this to make sense. And not all people is going to have like a powerful gaming machine, so just need to scale it, I guess, a little bit better. And there's really not a lot to see if the videos are not working. So I think I'll stop the stream here for a bit and then check back with the when the when the talk is on. Maybe if I log in and off, it will get better. I don't know. So we will see in a bit.
Yeah, I can. We are a two-man team who is developing Cars, who is a medieval survival multiplayer game with multiple game modes, player versus player on small maps for short deathmatch games, and a large world, open world game map for survival with crafting and a little bit of a story going on.
So is it similar to what's the name of this current popular game, Viking one? I forgot. Or is it similar to that one?
In a sense, a little bit. Our game is a little heavier with fantasy elements and leveling, a little more focused on the leveling and survival stuff, but similar to Valheim, I am guessing. you are going with.
Yes, yeah.
We've heard that a few times, which I'm going to just take as a compliment.
Yeah, I mean it's hard because supposedly we're waiting for the game to appear in this giant screen, but it doesn't appear. So I guess it's hard to describe your game without being able to show images or videos. But yeah, from your description, it sounds a bit like it.
Yeah, I think try walking away from that giant screen and coming back. It seemed to be buggy for me before, but I tried that and it seemed to work.
Yeah, I was wondering if maybe they turned off the video to say, okay, so okay, it's off now for me. Now I don't see anything.
There we go.
And the game we will be taking part in the Steam Next Fest next month, and there will be a playable demo available.
Yeah, I think.
Yep. It's really easy.
Go ahead.
Oh, I was gonna say it's really easy to find. You can log into Steam and type in Carth, CARTH, and it pops right up.
Yeah, I think these demo festivals are really good for the discoverability of your game. We participated in one back on February, I believe, and it was very useful to get the issues up. So I wish you the best luck with yours. So I was trying to log in again. I see some options here. I'm going to try to reduce the quality to medium. Maybe that will help with lagging. And I don't know what this is. Oh, stats, okay. Okay, so back online. But all I see is darkness. Okay, I'm back. I'm a woman now again. I hope I'm not stuck. I'm stuck. This happened when I first logged in. And actually, crap. We are stuck here. I'm late for a talk. I need to get away from here. Yeah, so I'm on lower resolution now. It seems to be working better. So that's good. Oh, there's some. Okay, I managed to free myself somehow. I'm going to try to change my avatar again to what I was before. I think it was this guy with this skin tone and the head that's darker. It was something like this. I don't know. Yeah, let's go with this one. We are late for the talk and we are pretty far and we cannot teleport. Oh, it's running much better. I think I was stuck with some bad I don't know, something, because it had to reinstall the app. So who knows, but now it's much better. It's running at, let's see, I saw the frame rate somewhere. I don't see it anymore, but okay, so it's 29 30 fps. Not sure, and it was running like at 4 fps, I believe. So yeah, it's much better now. I'm not sure if it was because of the resolution or just because it was bad for me. But we're good, and as you can see, well, it's lower resolution now, but it's much smoother. So let's see. Okay, so it's a countdown. It hasn't started. Helping developers were, well, wait, this is a panel? Okay, let's check the schedule. Helping. Okay, so I did screw up time zones. Did I? This is weird. What time is it right now on EST? ET. There should be something like current time. I was waiting for this one. So is it soundstage? Okay, the Expo Hall. Yeah, this is where we are. It seems like I'm going to check because now I'm confused. What time is it? Oh, I did mess up with time zones. This always happens. So it's 1 p.m. ET. I thought it was 11 a.m. or something like that. I no longer know what I thought. So actually, it's time for this, I guess. I don't know anymore. Okay. In any case, the panel hasn't started. It will be good to have this translated to your time zone, because else this kind of things happen. I lost the talk, it seems. But yeah, I think now that we have a better frame rate, I'm going to do a very quick run. If I can. Ah, crap. I'm somehow stuck. Let's see. Yeah, it went crazy. I don't want to look at my neck. What's happening? Okay. Did I regain control of this? It seems like it. No, it did not. It's not working well. It's not working well. Is it working well enough? Let's see if I can at least. It went crazy. Yeah, the system has its issues. Crap. Yeah, I'm unable to navigate well. This is not good. It's like it cannot detect the mouse well. Let's try to navigate. So we are now stuck in a third-person perspective. But yeah, it's much smoother now. And doing my best. All right, so let's see the expo floor. If we can like look to the front, if only we could. I'm not sure what to do. Maybe I should. All right. Oh, it's so slow again. 2 frames per second. Yeah, this doesn't work. I think I will have to log in again at the lower quality level, 5 frames per second. Yeah, just for this to work. Yeah, and actually I think I've shown what is there to show. I may come back tomorrow to show some of the booths that I missed, and maybe check one of the talks. But overall, I think this is a very good step in the right direction. It will be good for it to auto detect like based on your ping, like what will be a good suggested level of quality to connect. Other than that, I think this is a good progress from last year, and hopefully they can continue improving and pushing for this event to become bigger and more interesting. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.